Hey, welcome back. All right, so today we're going to be doing some quick kind of trash to treasures. It's things that I had around my house that I didn't want to throw away, so I'm going to reuse them. I don't know how everybody online keeps their home so organized and they don't have stuff. I have stuff. So I keep like books out and stuff in my living room that I use to write on. So I wanted to hide them away. So I'm going to be using this old box to do that. And it's going to be real simple and real quick. I'm just going to use the baking soda method of painting to cover up, all the wording and pictures on the box. So I'm just going to take half paint, half acrylic paint, and half baking soda. So it's real simple. You're just going to take it and make sure you get out all the lumps and bumps, because if you don't, then it'll come out unless you want it that way. I don't know. But once you mix it up all good to the consistency that you want, then you're just going to paint it. You can do this with any box. You can go out and, Michael's and Dollar Tree sometimes has boxes that you can just paint over and get the look that you want for it. So I'm just completely covering the outside of the box that will be shown and letting that dry. And then I also have this other container, and believe it or not, this is a chocolate container from the Ferrero Rochers, and I keep my remotes in there for the TV and stuff. So I just want to cover that up because it's clear and I don't want to be able to see the inside of it. I'm just going to do the same thing, cover it up with the paint, and then once everything is dry, it looks like this. I'm going to go back and put a handle on the box so it looks a little more high end, but I don't have one right now. So for the remote control holder, I'm just going to take an old button that I have a lot of these actually, and I'm just going to glue that on top to give it something so it's just not as flat, and then that's it. You're basically done. So with some paint, you can make your trash look like this. Okay, so now we'll get into the next one. And for the next one, it's going to be simple too. This is, I don't use them myself, but somebody had them. An old tampon container. The top is like kind of like a metal too. So this is a bolt from the Dollar Tree, one of the little bowls that you get in the set. And I did something else with it. So I'm just going to reuse it. And I'm just going to glue it, put it in the center of the container, let it dry. And once it dries, you can come back and you can paint it. I'm going to use this hammered style paint, and this is how it looks when it's done. I painted the inside and the outside. I left the top the same color because I thought the contrast would be cute, and I painted the same kind of button that I had before. I painted it black, and I'm just going to glue that on top, and that's it. That's simple and that's easy for that one. So like paint can transform a lot of things. And then I'm going to put this one on the shelf, and again, you can hide some stuff in it because in my real life I have stuff. Okay, so now on to this one. And this one, again, another quick simple one. These are cardboard tubes that I have. You can use something different if you don't have a cardboard tube this big, but I do have these cardboard tubes. I don't want them to be the same size, so I'm just scoring it with a razor so that I can go around and cut. So once you get a little, I just mushed it in. I don't even know how to explain it, but I mushed it in so that I can get in there with the scissors and cut it down to the size I want, trying to make sure it's even. And then I have them now 2 different sizes. And then for the base of them, I'm just going to use the same little bowls that I did before. Going to put some glue along the inside so that once you place it on top of the bowl, it adheres to the side of the bowl. So you can do it by putting the glue on the outside of the bowl, the inside of the tube, whichever way you want. Or like I said, you can use something different. You can use a vase or something. But this is it and how it looks like this. You can use these as vases if you don't want to do the next step. These can be vases, and of course you wouldn't put water in them, but you can paint them and use them as vases. I'm going to use them as kind of candle holders. So I'm going to put these plates from the dollar store on top of them. And again, I'm just going to go around the same way and glue around the edge of the tube. And I'm going to put the plate on top. If you were going to do vases, what you could do is use like a Dollar Tree vase, put the thing on the bottom, paint it one color, and then you can have an actual vase. You can do that too. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put this on there, let that dry, and then paint it. Okay, for some reason, when I painted it with the spray paint wasn't taking the cardboard, so I came in with the acrylic paint and painted it. And now I'm just gonna go up top of it with the stone paint. And this is it. You have two different size candle holders. All right, so that's it for today. If you did like, please give it a big old thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. All right, bye.